But do you have some orders and your customer ask?
Oh,
I
I have like a lot of orders that came in. I couldn't.
Oh.
You can learn to use it, and you can offer embroidery.
Most days about t-shirts, about hats, your orders.
那他拉一下是不是？
OK， 看部长for it.
Try. Which
Yeah. All right.
Okay, then it's tight.
Okay.
And then we will be hooping. Okay.
Okay.
Get a hoop.
Green hoop.
This one. And your fabric.
T-shirt.
Take picture. The machine is running.
Yeah. Our six hat.
Very good machine.
You want to try?
Yeah, I'll try. Thank you. Cut it. Oh, it's strong, Chris.